Go jump in the pool. Or Kerr Lake or play a game of tennis. Spend your time on you and your Kerr Lake fun instead of on maintenance. This is the MOST Affordable Condo right now at the Moorings, the only waterfront condos on all of Kerr Lake. This is a second-level entry unit. It is sold with furnishings as exist. The open floor plan concept on the main living area offers kitchen with appliances and a bar overlooking the dining and great room. There is a fireplace to set the mood on crisp evenings. The Lakeside Deck overlooks the Marina Cove so you can enjoy the display of boats in and of the Clarksville Marina. The unit has a lakeside master bedroom with ensuite bath. Bedroom number 2 and a hall bath are on the same level, along with the laundry area, stack washer-dryer included. A short flight of steps leads to bedroom number 3, a loft-style room. The Moorings offer a community dock, tennis and lakeside in-ground pool. Short distance to the Clarksville Marina and downtown Clarksville for shopping and dining. This is the Kerr Lake lifestyle you want.